Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Wi-Fi and tap on it. Here, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. And now to connect to the network, and wait until the networks appear on the list called Choose Network. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it, and if it's protected by password, you will need to enter the password. So give me a couple of seconds. And then you can tap on Join right here in the top right corner to log in. And once you enter the password, you should see the network right here below the Wi-Fi option, and this means that you're connected to this network. And then you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. And to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, simply open the Wi-Fi settings again. Find the network you want to disconnect from. Usually they're here on this list, but there could be some right here on this list. Anyway, find the network you want to disconnect, tap on it, and tap on Forget this network to forget it and disconnect from it. Okay. And once you're done, again, you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.